welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make an apple cider vinegar hair conditioner. And I left my hair down so that you could see I used this on my hair last night, and I left it in my hair, and it's absolutely fabulous. I don't smell like vinegar at all, and I think you're going to love this, so let's get started. Okay, today to make your apple cider vinegar keratin hair conditioner, you'll need some ingredients, of course. You'll need apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar is raw, unfiltered, and organic, which is what I prefer. I definitely recommend that you use the at least raw apple cider vinegar for the best benefits. You'll also need orange blossom distillate. You'll also need these lovely safflower oleosomes and water, which safflower oleosomes are amazing for hair conditioning. We have a great blog about that if you want to check that out. You'll need a little bit of keratin protein, passion fruit natural fragrance oil. You'll need your preservative, which is capryl hydroxamic acid, glycerol caprylate, and glycerin. You'll also need a mixing container. I prefer to use these beakers. A mixing bowl works just fine. And you'll need a high shear mixer like this one, or a stick blender. So let's just get started. So first we're going to take our water ingredients, which is our apple cider vinegar, and we'll just dump it right in there. And the orange blossom distillate. And the keratin. So we're just going to pour those all together. Just gently mix those together. There's no need to use your mixer for this stage. Those should all blend together readily. So we're going to put that aside. So that would be your water phase of your formulation. And now with the safflower oleosomes and water, we're going to mix that with our passion fruit fragrance. So the orange blossom distillate and the passion fruit fragrance work with the natural aroma of the apple cider vinegar. So it's not that we're trying to cover up the scent as much as we're trying to work with it to make it smell better. And I think we have an amazing smelling hair rinse here. So once you pour those together, you're just going to want to gently mix them until they're fully blended. And it happens pretty quickly. The safflower oleosomes and water are an oil-soluble mixture, so mixing them with an essential oil works really well, and it helps to solubilize them into our hair conditioner. So this product that we're making, it will be a shake before use. Even though we're using these safflower oleosomes, they have great properties for hair. They're amazing conditioners, but we're using this to help solubilize it into our water phase, help solubilize the fragrance oil into our water phase. So if you wanted to make it a product where you don't have to shake before use, you can add xanthan gum, and you want to measure out 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and slowly add it to your water phase as you're mixing before you add your safflower oleosomes and fragrance. I chose not to do that because gum does, it can coat the hair, and I didn't want to have that for this particular product. I want to be able to rinse it in my hair and actually leave it in my hair since my hair is particularly thick and dry. So you can certainly add xanthan gum. We have other videos on how to do that. So let's continue with this. So now that we have our water phase and our oil phase, this is where we're going to use our high shear mixer. So we're going to put that right into our water phase and turn it on, start blending, and then slowly add our safflower oleosomes and fragrance mixture. I'm going to turn up the speed a little bit and really break down those micelles so that we have a nice homogeneous project. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna turn the speed back down so I don't splatter myself so much. And actually, before I go too far, I really want all the goodness of this fragrance and oleosome. So I'm just gonna add the last little bit and kind of scrape it in there so I get all of it, as much as possible. Okay, there we go. And then I'm also going to add the preservative at this point. And it's okay to just pour it right in there. And we'll start to mix again. Okay. So I used this on my hair last night. I made a test batch yesterday, and it smells absolutely amazing. I had no problem leaving it in my hair. I'm very happy with this. My hair feels soft and shiny and silky, all the good things. So once you've made your apple cider vinegar keratin hair conditioner, hair rinse, you're going to want to pour it off into your packaging. And for packaging, I actually recommend opaque bottles because you can kind of see in the clear bottles how it is a biphase product, meaning a shake before use product. So if you look at it, it kind of is milky on top, and it's got the innate color of the apple cider vinegar at the bottom. So it's kind of yellow-orange at the bottom. So I recommend opaque packaging because consumers don't necessarily like to see the products in this biphase mode, but I don't know, I kind of think it looks nice too. When you shake it together, it will actually stay that way for quite a while, at least 3 to 4 hours. So it doesn't separate right away, certainly enough time for you to use it in your hair. Simply apply to clean, wet hair and gently rinse out if you want to, or for me, I just simply leave it in my hair because I really like it, and my hair really likes the extra conditioning. Anyways, we hope you absolutely love your new apple cider vinegar hair rinse, and we hope you love the smell as much as we do. It was a challenge to find something that worked well with apple cider vinegar without smelling like we were just trying to cover up the apple cider smell. So enjoy, and thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe for more great videos.